In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently disable Uber driver app notifications. If you are receiving a lot of alerts and you wish to put them to an end, it's pretty simple. Follow these steps. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. To disable notifications from Uber driver app, just go to settings, and from settings, look for this option, apps. Now under apps, go to manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for Uber driver, and here it is. And then go to permissions section. Under permissions, look for this option, notifications. And then here you can see we have these 6 types of notifications turned on. With this, you will always receive those many alerts. To disable all of them at once, just toggle show notifications, and that is it. From now, you'll never again receive alerts from this app unless you turn this on again. So that's how you can disable Uber driver app notifications. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.